So notice on my screen I've created an organizational chart. Okay? And now watch what I can do. Top of the screen I choose Home, Editing, Select, and Selection Pane. And remember, in the selection pane, if I click on the little eyeball, it shows or it hides the particular object. And also notice my title here. I can rename it if I want. So watch, I'm going to call it Tim's org chart. Okay. Well, I can do it over here too if I wanted. I can rename it. There we go. You don't have to, but it's helpful. Okay. Down here, I might call this the actual org chart. Org chart. There we go. And they're both unlocked, which allows me to move this freely and independently. This too, I can move it freely independently. But notice, if I want to move them both at the same time, then I click once with my mouse. On the keyboard, I hold down the Control key, I click again, and then I release. So now watch what I can do. I move one, they all move. Okay? And that's it.